morning students. Today we will study chapter 3 unit 2 after such a long time. I hope that you all have done your test very well. So now here we will begin with the chapter 3 unit 2, that is various form of energy and their interconversion. Chapter 3 unit 1 we have already covered. Question answers, exercises, everything we have done. Now we will start with chapter 3 unit 2. So in unit 2 what we have to study? We have to study about various forms of energy. Energy has various forms, understand, and those various forms of energy can interconverted from one form to other form. Okay, so energy never destroyed. Okay, what happens? It convert from one form to other form. Okay, so first we have to learn about mechanical energy. Okay, about mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? The energy possessed by a body due to a displacement. Energy possessed by a body by the energy possessed by a body by the displacement caused. The energy possessed by a body by displacement caused is called mechanical energy. Okay, when there will be a displacement means the change of positions. Displacement I have already explained you all. What is displacement? Displacement means the change of position from original position to the final position. Okay, is known as displacement. So energy possessed by a body by the displacement caused is known as mechanical energy. Okay, so when there is a displacement, then we can say that the body is having mechanical energy. Now this mechanical energy can be divided into two forms. Mechanical energy is a vast topic. So it is divided into two forms. Okay, first one is known as potential energy. Okay, and second one is known as kinetic energy. Okay, so mechanical energy is the energy possessed by a body due to the displacement caused. Okay, second, what we have learned, that mechanical energy is divided into two forms. First one is potential energy and second one is kinetic energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is that energy, the energy possessed by a body by the virtue of its position. By the virtue of its position is known as potential energy. Okay, energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. Or in rest state. Okay, is known as potential energy. Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or in rest state is known as potential energy. Whereas kinetic energy possessed by a body by virtue of its state of motion. By virtue of its state of motion is called kinetic energy. Okay, so this is potential energy, this is kinetic energy. Okay, now you will easily understand what is potential energy, what is kinetic energy. In potential energy is that energy in which we have to apply force or anything, but what happens its position, because of its position that energy is developed. Okay, because of the position of the body the energy is developed is known as potential energy. Okay, I will explain you. Wait. Now see here. This is a pendulum. What is this? This is a pendulum. Okay, lying in this state. Okay, this is pendulum. This is pendulum. This is bob. We know that this is bob. Okay, the whole arrangement is pendulum and this is bob. And here what happens? Here we have one box is kept at position A. Suppose this is the position A. Okay, and this is a box. Now what happens when we will shift this box to this place? Okay, what happens when this box is taken to this place? When this bob is taken to this place and we will release the bob, what happens? It will swing and swing and it will swing and push the box and it will shift it to the position B. It will be shifted to the position B. Okay, it is shifted to the position B. So what happens? The box will be first is in the state of rest, but because of the energy possessed by it, the energy which grabbed by the box, what happens? It is shifted. Understand? So what happens? It is shifted from position A to B. Is known as potential energy possessed by a box. What happens? When we have a pendulum at mean position. Simply at a mean position we have a pendulum. What happened? Near to the pendulum we have kept a box. Near to the pendulum we have kept a box. Okay. So box is in the state of rest. What we have taken? We have taken the box and to this position we have taken a box to this from mean to extreme position. And what happens? We have left the bob over here. After taking it to the extreme position, we have left the bob. So when we will let the bob, what happens? It will swing and it will push the box A. So what happens? That box will get shifted to this side. Why? Because it is not when it will push him. It will push this box. What happens? This box will shift it, and because of the shifting of the box, it will change its position from A to B. So, but is there any force developed on A? No. But what happens? Because of the gaining of energy, it has shifted its position from A to B. And what kind of energy is this? This kind of energy is known as potential energy. Okay, the energy possessed by a body by the virtue of its state of rest. That means when a body will be in a state of rest, and it experience any force or any energy, and it will grab that energy, and because of that energy what happens, its position is changed. Okay, its position will be changed, then that type of energy is known as potential energy. Okay, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its state of rest is known as potential energy. Okay, this is the example I have given, example of potential energy. Okay, this is the example of potential energy I have given. This example will not be, you will find this example, you will not found in your book, but I have given you. Okay, so I think I have explained it very clearly. Now you all will understand what is potential energy. Okay, so this is known as potential energy. Okay, we have few examples of potential energy. See here, it is given in book, few examples. For example, if we carry a brick to the top of the building, we do some amount of work against the force of gravity. The amount of energy spent by us is stored in the brick in the form of potential energy. Okay, so what they are saying? They are saying that carrying a brick means eta. Brick means eta. Carrying a brick to the building. You have seen that when in the building, in those type of building which are under construction, what happens? That people used to carry bricks to the top of the building. So on carrying the bricks to the top of building, those persons are doing work against gravity. Those persons are doing work against gravity, and that work is stored in brick in the form of potential energy. Okay, so this is the example. Second is carrying a bow and consider a bow and arrow. Bow and arrow, you know what is bow and what is arrow? Bow and arrow means धनुष बाण. तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा धनुष बाण, है ना? Bow and arrow. Bow means dhanush. Bow means dhanush and arrow means what? Baan. Okay, so bow and arrow you know. So pull the string along with the arrow in the backward direction. See in figure 3.4, a girl is doing. Okay, what happens is she is pulling the string along the arrow in the backward direction. Okay, by applying force. In doing so, you change the configuration shape of the bow. The energy is used up in changing the shape of the bow, and it is stored in the bow in the form of potential energy. Okay. Third is fast moving water turns the blade. So see here. So you have understand. So these are the examples. So see here, example of potential energy I have written. So what happened? First example we have learned that carrying bricks to the top of building. Okay, carrying bricks to the top of building is a example of potential energy. Second example of potential energy is, what is the second example of potential energy we have learned? That bow and arrow. In bow and arrow, what happens? When someone pull the string, what happens? The position of dhanush, that means the position of arrow will get changed, and because of the change of position of the arrow, what happens? The energy will be stored in bow, which helps us to release to the movement. Okay, so what happens when someone pull the string of arrow. When someone pull the string of arrow, then due to change of shape, the energy stored in bow is a form of potential energy. Is a form of potential energy. Okay, is a form of potential energy. So when someone pull the string, suppose you all have seen, you all have played also in smaller in your home. You all have played also that when you will stretch the string of the bow, what happens? Its position will be gets changed. Okay, its position will be gets changed. Its shape will be changed. Because of change of shape, what happens? The energy will be stored in the bow. Because of that energy only, it will move ahead. It will go further. Okay, so that energy will be stored on the bow, and that energy is known as potential energy. Third is fast moving water can turn the blade of the water mill. Fast moving water. Third is fast moving water. Fast moving water turn the blades of fast moving water turn the blades of water mill. Okay, turn the blade of water mill. Fast moving wind can turn the blade of windmill also. So all these are the examples of potential energy. Okay, what happens? Because of the fast movement of water, the blades of the fan of the water mill, what happens? Its blades will be changes. That means it will start rotating. Okay, it will start rotating. Because of wind, what happens? Wind energy, the wind, because of wind the blade will get moving. Okay, it will start moving. So all these are the example of potential energy. So what is potential energy? The energy possessed by a body by the virtue of its position, that means by the virtue of its shape or rest, in the position of rest. Okay, is known as potential energy. I have given that example, pendulum case. Because of that example, you will easily understand what is the case of potential energy. What is a potential energy? You will understand. Okay. Now see kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy due to motion. Energy possessed by a body due to motion is known as kinetic energy. See one more example. One example I will give you of this case also. See here, this is a building block. Okay. Okay, this is the steamer lock. Okay, so what happens if, see here, here what? Here we have in position A box. Here in position A we will have a box. Okay. So what happens when we will? This is the steeper case. What happens? This is a slope. This is a slopy surface. Okay. And because of slopy surface, what happens? We have placed a bag or a box just at the end of that slopy surface. We have placed a box just at the end of the slopy surface. Okay. And what happens? We have taken a ball. Okay. We have taken a ball and we will release this ball from here. What happens? It will keep on moving, rotating here. Okay. It will keep on rotating here and it will, what happens? It will lie here. And because of the movement, because of the fast movement in the slopy surface, the ball will gain energy. The ball will gain energy, and because of that energy, when it will push, it will touch on the surface of the box. What happen? It will push it. It will push it, and the box will shift it from position A to position B. Okay, the box is shifted from position A to position B. So this is the example of kinetic energy. Okay, this is the actual case of the kinetic energy. How kinetic energy works? What happens? This is the energy by the virtue of its motion. See here, a ball is rotating. That means what? Because of the motion, what happens? Fast motion, energy is stored in the ball, and with that energy, when it push the box, what happens? The energy is grabbed by the box and it is shifted from position A to position B. So this is the case of kinetic energy. Okay. So in potential energy, what happens? I have given the example of pendulum, where a pendulum we will take to the extreme position and it will come and push the box, so box will move. So at that case, what happens? The energy passes by the virtue of the state of rest of the box, rest position of the box. Okay, and the pendulum is at the rest position. What happens? And here what happens? Ball is here and at the top of the slope.